TG grammar means transformational generative grammar. Transformational is changes, generative is making, grammar is the rules. So, this is a set of rules which can make new sentences from a given sentence. And this is based on an assumption that every sentence has a kernel form. Kernel form means simple affirmative. Affirmative means which ends in yes. There is type of assertive sentence also. Assertive means affirmative and negative both. Any sentence which ends with a full stop is called assertive. But here I am saying affirmative means the sentences which end in yes. The meaning of a sentence should be in yes. Then active. Kernel sentence has only one verb. This is also called basic or deep structure. So, driving sentences from kernel means applying transformational rules on kernel. So, you must remember this picture we were discussing last time. This is IC analysis. In the end, we are left with some parts of the sentence. This is very important in TG grammar. We will be applying our TG rules on this part, and this is termed as IC analysis. I am taking the examples given by you. First example given by you was what is she talking about? So first step is kernel form of given sentence. See, the given sentence is in question mark. It will be referred to as surface structure. First point will be writing it surface structure. Please keep in mind that in TG grammar you will be writing the rules on left side and then making the change on right side. On the left side, I will write surface structure and will write the given example. What is she talking about? Then second step is kernel sentence or deep structure. You can use either of the word. You can write either kernel sentence or write deep structure. Then now I will change this interrogative into positive or affirmative. She is talking about something. What is changed into something? Because I want to keep the meaning same. Then IC analysis, this step. Here you must practice it, so you need not draw any diagram to reach here. She, present, be, ing, talk about something. This is the analysis of this affirmative sentence. Then WH substitution. WH substitution means I will substitute this word with WH. WH word is same as this is given in the example. She, present, be, ing, talk about what. See, I am writing the rules on left side, I am making the changes on right side. This is the rule of TG grammar. Now after WH substitution comes the rule interrogative. In interrogative, helping verb will come before the noun. So present be will come before she, because this is the rule in interrogative sentence. Present be, she, ing, talk about what and question mark. When I write interrogative on left, I must mark question mark here. Then WH fronting. Now I will bring that WH on the front. What and the rest of the sentences same with question mark. So after applying a fix switch, I will reach at the given example. What, be present, she, talk, ing, about question mark. Please keep in mind when you write interrogative, from that point till the end, you will have to keep the question mark at the end. This is very important. Once you have written interrogative, there should be question mark in the end, and this question mark will continue till a fix switch. So we are here at the given example. What be present means is, she, talk, ing becomes talking about. Next example was the team has completed the task. Again, first step is writing it as surface structure. The team has completed the task. Deep or kernel is the team completed the task. Always keep in mind that kernel sentence has only one verb, and here we are using two verbs. One is has, that is helping verb, and completed is the main verb. Then IC analysis, the team passed complete the task. Then perfective, the team present have en complete the task. A fix switch, the team have present complete en the task, and we are reaching at the given example. Next is, this is not correct interpretation. This is the surface structure. This is not the correct interpretation. Kernel is, this is the correct interpretation. If the given example is in negative, we will make it an affirmative, because as I have earlier told you that kernel sentence is always positive. So kernel will be, this is the correct interpretation. Then IC analysis. See, these three steps are same in every analysis. First, we will mark surface structure. Any given example will be marked as surface structure. Then make out kernel from that. Then IC analysis. The change is introduced at fourth point. Fourth point depends on the type of sentence you are given. Here we are given negative sentence, so the fourth point will be negation. In negation, we will simply mark not. This present be not the correct interpretation. And then affix switch. This be present not the correct interpretation. Be present means is, and we are here at the given example. Next example was, have they called for an interview yet? So first I will mark as surface structure. I will repeat this sentence. Then kernel, they have called for an interview yet. IC analysis, they have en call for an interval. Yes, interval yet. Then interrogative, have they en call for an interval yet? And then affix switch. In this I just applied interrogative, because I didn't need any kind of other rule. This was simple kind of interrogative sentence in which the sentence is starting with helping verb. So I only need to apply interrogative rule at the fourth point. First 3 points are again same, and last is also same, a fixed switch. Have they call en for an interval yet? Next, the teacher specifically asked you to stay out of the class. Kernel is, the teacher specifically asked you and stay out of the class. See, this is a kind of mixture of two kind of actions. I told you that in kernel sentence there should be only one action. There are two actions. First is asking by teacher, second is staying out of class. So first I will divide this sentence in according to verbs. The teacher specifically asked you and stay out of the class. So IC analysis will be, the teacher specifically past ask you and present stay out of the class. Infinitive clause is the rule applied here. The teacher specifically past ask you, and I will apply this to before present. To before this present. Rest is same. Affix switch, the teacher specifically ask past you to stay present out of the class, and we will be at the given example.